Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by isolating the clip segment with visible, high-contrast features. This makes tracking reliable. Once done, set your composition frame rate and resolution to match the footage so frame-to-frame movement is consistent. Next, open the tracker panel and choose Track Motion. Pick point or corner pin, depending on whether you need a single point or four-point perspective. Make sure to position the tracker box tightly around the feature. Small boxes reduce drift, and accurate initial placement improves algorithm stability. You now refine the tracking. Expand the search region when motion is fast, but keep the feature region compact to avoid false matches. Track forward, then backward to compare results. When you see drift, pause and add manual keys to correct problematic frames. Once the track looks good, enable subpixel accuracy and adapt feature to improve precision. If occlusions or perspective warping persist, export to Mocha for planar tracks. Then import corner pin data back. This avoids frame-by-frame correction and saves time. You finish by applying the track. Send motion to a null object, then parent your layer or paste tracking data to the target. Choose position only or full transform depending on needs. Once applied, bake keyframes if you must stabilize further or hand the clip to another artist. If you encounter jitter, scrub the keyframes and apply a subtle smooth or temporal filter. If errors persist, retract with a tighter feature region or add intermediary keys. One tip, check for dropped frames and retime footage before final tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.